Good evening, everyone. This is Abhijit here from Kotak Neo Commodities Research. So today we are going to view natural gas on chart. As you have seen that since last couple of days, natural gas has been rallying on the upside. However, there have been some recent updates on the chart in last couple of hours where natural gas has taken a hit from its nearest resistance level. So we will see what's ahead in coming days for natural gas on charts. So let us quickly move on to the charts. Natural gas. So if you can see, this is the NYMEX natural gas futures chart. Okay, and as you can see, initially here after breaking the descending trend line, natural gas started its rally. But in last couple of hours, if you see the hourly chart now, since 4:30, 5 o'clock, it has started falling. So it might be some correction. However, overall, if you look at the longer picture, let's say if we take the 4 hourly chart, you can see the overall trend is still positive. It's still bullish, and it is the price is still above super trend, indicating the short term bullish trend is still intact. Okay. Also, you can see, if we take a Fibonacci retracement level from this swing low to swing high, prices had initially, retraced till 0.618%, and then it started to bounce back. So this could be the healthy, correction after which it started the bull run again. But now there could be a possibility that it might, test again, this support zone. If you see, I'll mark the support zone over here. See, this is the support zone where it has, resisted a couple of times and then it moved ahead. So there is a possibility that it might hold this support, and if it sustains for some time, then there are chances that it might again resume its bull trend. But see, it's too early to see whether it's going to break previous week's high. Now we can also see the same chart on our MCX. Now this here is the MCX natural gas, and this is the 4 hourly chart that you can see. Again, now you can see overall the medium term trend. If you see, this was started from April 24th April. So overall from end of April, the prices are in the upward direction. And recently it has taken third time support of this trend line, and it moved up. The last couple of hours, prices started falling from around 311 levels. It made a high of 311.70, and then it started falling, and it has fall almost 14 to 15 rupees now from its day high. Okay, but again, now there is a possibility that that it might take a support of this support zone over here, or else it might again take a support of this ascending trend line, and then again it can move up. Now again, if it bounces backs up, if it is able to hold the trend line support, then it has to also break today's high, which is around 311.70. And if it breaks today's high, then there is a high probability that it might test around 320 to 323 levels, because the next strong resistance, if you see, I will mark the resistance over here as per the M6 natural gas. So it's around 324 levels. So this is the major resistance. If it turns around before breaking the ascending trend triangle, then there is a high chances it might touch 320, 323 levels. And for the further upside, it has to breach and sustain above 324 levels. So till then, we for intraday, we'll have to see now, since this is a very steep fall today. If we see the hourly chart, so it would be very early to say whether we can take a buy over here. We'll have to check. We'll have to wait for some time, maybe an hour, to see if it's taking support near the support zone. Now let's say for the MCX, so this is around the support zone. So let's say at around 395, 396 levels, it seems a very good level to take a new fresh position, or to take a buy position. But there has to be some indication of reversal near support zone, only after which we can decide whether we can take a buy. But overall, if you take on a positional basis or short term basis, the view is still buy as far as the prices are sustaining above ascending trend line. But yes, if it breaks below that, then we'll have to see. There might be a possible reversal, or there might be a trend change in natural gas. But as of now, yes, we are still bullish on natural gas at this point of time. So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you for watching this show, and as always, trade safe.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.